I am finna eat this. Take a Benadryl and eat some shrimp. I'm allergic and never had shrimp, so I want to try it.
You allergic to seafood
and see. It's a shellfish, so I want to see how it tastes.
She died, bro. Alright, I'm gonna do the video for it.
This might be my last video. Who knows? I can't even open that one. Open the big one. I'm scared, but I really want to try shrimp. It's probably nasty. I don't even like it, but who knows? I'm gonna let it sit in first. I'm not gonna just eat the shrimp right away. I gotta let the peel kick in.
You swallowed it already?
No. I'm gonna let that kick in. I'll be back. Okay.
How you turn this around?
You can't when it's on.
Stop. No.
My mouth started tingling. I'm scared.
He said what? Start what?
Tingling. No idea. It was one bite.
What do you mean?
I'm trying to eat it.
You shouldn't, boy. Don't swallow it.
Why I can't swallow it? It tastes like chicken.
She's gonna drop like a horse.
I did all this being scared of shrimp and tastes like chicken this whole time. Let's see how I have a reaction. I'll be back. So I could be paranoid, but I do feel itchy all over. But it could just be paranoia. But I still haven't passed out or anything or died. So I think taking a Benadryl before and after you eat shrimp, if you're allergic, could be good. But it still haven't been that long, so who knows. But I haven't had an instant reaction. So it's been a little over an hour now, and I just took a shower because I think it was in my head that I was itchy, and I noticed I'm not itchy anymore. So I think, in my opinion, taking a Benadryl before and after you have shrimp if you're allergic, or any seafood if you're allergic. I ain't gonna say everybody, but it could work for some people. Probably try it out first like I did. So now I probably can eat. I don't know if I can eat a lot because I only ate one little piece. So next thing I might try is eating a little bit more. So I might record that and let y'all see my reaction. I don't know. But thanks for watching. Part of D1 MUVH. Well, MUVH on YouTube, D1 MUVH on Instagram and Twitter. Make sure you follow us. Let this video get to 1K, guys, and 100 likes and 100 comments. All right, deuces.